Hello, and welcome back to Professional Health. Today, we're diving into how to achieve healthy, strong hair with the help of supplements and minerals. We'll discuss key vitamins and minerals that promote hair growth, reduce hair loss, and keep your hair looking its best. So let's get started on our journey to a stronger, healthier hair. Let's nourish those follicles from the inside out. First up, let's talk about biotin, also known as vitamin B7. This essential nutrient is part of the B-complex vitamins, which are vital for various metabolic processes in the body. Biotin is crucial because it plays a key role in producing keratin, a protein that is the building block of our hair, skin, and nails. Keratin forms the actual structure of our hair, skin, and nails, giving them strength and resilience. If you're deficient in biotin, you might experience hair thinning or even hair loss. This can be particularly distressing and affect your confidence. That's why taking biotin supplements can be super helpful. They can provide the necessary boost to your biotin levels. They can help strengthen those hair strands and promote growth, leading to healthier, shinier hair over time. The recommended daily dose for adults is usually between 30 to 100 micrograms. It's important to stick to this dosage to avoid any potential side effects. More isn't always better. It's particularly effective for those with a deficiency. Overconsumption can lead to unwanted issues. It's always best to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs. Biotin is water-soluble, so it's best taken with water on an empty stomach. This helps with better absorption. You can also get biotin naturally through your diet. Incorporating biotin-rich foods can be a great way to maintain healthy levels. Foods like eggs, which are rich in biotin, and salmon are excellent sources. Nuts, seeds, and certain vegetables also contribute to your biotin intake. Next up, let's talk about vitamin A, another VIP in the world of hair health. Vitamin A is all about cell growth, including our precious hair cells. It helps by contributing to the production of sebum, which keeps our scalp moisturized. But here's the catch: you don't want to overdo it. Taking too much can actually lead to hair loss. The recommended daily intake for adults is 700 to 900 micrograms. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin, best taken with meals containing healthy fats. Carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes are all fantastic sources. Now, let's move on to vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. This essential nutrient is vital for our overall well-being and plays a significant role in maintaining healthy hair. Our bodies produce vitamin D when we're exposed to sunlight. Just spending a few minutes outside can help boost your vitamin D levels. However, many of us aren't getting enough sunlight, especially during the winter months when days are shorter and we spend more time indoors. Vitamin D is crucial for a range of bodily functions, including hair health. It helps in the creation of new hair follicles, which are essential for hair growth. A deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to conditions like alopecia and poor hair growth. This can lead to thinning hair and even hair loss. For adults, 600 to 800 international units per day is generally recommended. Supplements can be an effective way to ensure you're getting enough. Correcting this deficiency can sometimes help reduce hair loss and promote healthier, stronger hair. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, best taken with meals that contain healthy fats. This helps your body absorb it more efficiently. Fatty fish, like salmon and tuna, are great sources of vitamin D. Including these in your diet can help maintain your vitamin D levels naturally. let's talk about another powerful antioxidant, vitamin E. Vitamin E protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can damage the cell membranes in our hair follicles and potentially lead to hair loss. Vitamin E neutralizes those free radicals, acting like a shield for our hair follicles. The general recommendation for adults is 15 milligrams daily. A study found that people who took vitamin E supplements experienced a significant increase in hair growth. Foods like almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of this powerful antioxidant. Since it's fat-soluble, it's best absorbed when taken with a meal. Now, let's talk about iron, a mineral that's essential for delivering oxygen to our cells, including those hair follicles. Iron plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy hair growth by ensuring that our hair follicles receive the oxygen they need. Iron is a key component of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout our bodies. Without sufficient iron, our red blood cells can't function properly, leading to various health issues. Our hair follicles need a steady supply of oxygen to thrive and grow. When they don't get enough oxygen, hair growth can slow down or even stop, leading to hair thinning and loss. Iron deficiency anemia is a common cause of hair loss, especially in women. This condition occurs when the body doesn't have enough iron to produce adequate red blood cells. The recommended daily intake for women is 18 milligrams, and for men, it's 8 milligrams. It's important to meet these requirements to maintain overall health and prevent hair loss. Studies show a strong link between iron deficiency anemia and hair loss. Research indicates that restoring iron levels can help improve hair growth and reduce hair shedding. Iron is best absorbed on an empty stomach, but it can sometimes cause stomach upset. If you experience discomfort, try taking it with a small amount of food. Red meat, beans, and lentils are all excellent sources of iron. Including these foods in your diet can help you meet your daily iron needs naturally. Try taking it with a small amount of food or with vitamin C to enhance absorption. Vitamin C helps increase the amount of iron your body absorbs, making it more effective. Let's move on to zinc, another mineral that's essential for healthy hair. Zinc plays a crucial role in the growth and repair of hair tissues. It also helps to keep oil glands around our hair follicles functioning properly. Zinc deficiency can lead to hair loss, impaired wound healing, and a weakened immune system. The general recommended dose for adults is 8 to 11 milligrams per day. Research has shown that zinc deficiency can cause hair shedding. Zinc supplements are best taken with food to avoid nausea. Pumpkin seeds, nuts, and shellfish are all excellent sources of zinc. Supplementation can be effective in restoring hair health in those who are deficient. Now, let's dive into the world of healthy fats and talk about omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are incredibly beneficial for our hair, providing essential nourishment. They have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation in the scalp. Omega-3s improve hair thickness and shine, hydrating and protecting the scalp. Generally, 250 to 500 milligrams per day of combined EPA and DHA is recommended for adults. Studies have shown that omega-3s can help to hydrate and protect the scalp. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are great sources. Plant-based sources like chia seeds and flax seeds also provide omega-3s. Finally, let's talk about B-complex vitamins, essential for overall health, including hair. B vitamins support red blood cell production, delivering nutrients to our scalp. B vitamins, particularly B12, are crucial for the formation of red blood cells. B vitamins are especially beneficial for people experiencing hair loss due to stress. Dosage recommendations vary, but a good B-complex supplement typically covers daily needs. B12 is primarily found in animal products, so vegetarians and vegans should supplement. B-complex vitamins are water-soluble, so you can take them any time of day with water. Foods like eggs, leafy greens, and fortified grains are great sources of B vitamins. So, there you have it, your guide to the top supplements for healthy, strong hair. Each of these vitamins and minerals has a specific role in promoting healthy hair growth, but it's crucial to take them in safe amounts and consult with a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video on professional health.